Good afternoon, farmers. I am Neil here with Afternoon Farmer. Today I'm going to be doing some clearing of the land here. You can see all around me, there's this shrubbery and brush all around me. It's chest high. Some of it's even taller than I am. And it's just kind of been in the back of the lot here. I've got a whole bunch of trees pressed up against it. And so I'm just going to try and clear everything down. You can see what I'm dealing with here. Things are settling down in the garden. There's not as much to plant out. I've still got some stuff I need to plant out. But really, fall is a much better time for maintenance and clearing and just general cleaning. The weather is a lot more amicable. It's low 70s right now. It's very comfortable outside. I'm still wearing all of this to protect me from the sun. It's not to protect me from any cold temperatures. But you can see all around me, this stuff has just been let go. I haven't been tending it as much. It's on the back edge. The seeds from it don't drift and bother where I'm at, so I just kind of let stuff do its own thing around here. Part laziness, part I was busy with other things. Today, now that it's cooler weather, it's time to get a move on it and just clear as much of this as I can. And so you're going to see here now, I'm going to time lapse and show the process as I'm cutting it down, how I get rid of all this tall stuff, how I grind it down, and you're going to see not a drop of any of this is going to be wasted. This is all biomass, this is all carbons and greens and browns and perfect mixtures, and I'm going to throw a lot of it through the wood chipper. I'm going to cut it at the base and just throw it through the chipper shredder, and it's going to be added to a compost pile at the end here. And then whenever I'm done with clearing all of this, I'm just going to work outward in a wave, and I'm going to cut through all of the trees that I've showed you here that are falling down and all around me, and I'm going to chip up a bunch of those to get a nice wood chip mulch. The logs themselves will be cut into 10-inch sections or so, 10 inch to a foot, and they will be the base for the hugelkultur beds. Hugelkultur is fundamental to what I do. As you can see, I have a ton of excess wood product around here. Rather than burn it and release all of that carbon as carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, or throw it away, bring it to the edge of the road and let the garbage collectors take it, I put it to use. I learned about this concept of hugelkultur, which allows me to let the wood break down over time, absorb nutrients, absorb moisture, and just act as a humidifier, an aqueduct for the raised beds. And so I've got a few things on the agenda for now, and you'll see as I step through. I'm going to time lapse it so you don't have to see it in real time. I've got about 5 or 6 hours of daylight left to work right now. And so I'm going to knock out as much as I can before I run out of light, and hopefully I'll be able to share as much of that with you as I can. And so take care, enjoy the show, and good afternoon. Whew, that's about all the light that I've got for tonight, but I'll be back out here tomorrow to get to the rest of it. Just gotta finish clearing out this area. You can see it's not super fast, but it's also not the slowest thing in the world. The wood chipper makes quick work of it. Well, the wood chipper acted up on me. This here is a spacer that is held in place by a clip. I saw the spacer lying on the ground. I don't know where the clip is or if there were any more spacers. So I'm going to need to consult with the DR Power Manual and figure out what parts I need. It's under warranty, so I might be able to get them to send me the parts for free and I could just put them on. But wood chipper's out of commission for at least probably a week or so until I can get that sorted out. So I started brush mowing again and clearing what I can. I'm going to concentrate what I've cut so it's not so ugly and move it over here so when I do get to chipping it, it's easy and my area is clear. And I'll continue to show that progress. And I'll bust out the chainsaw and cut down all of these little trees, just trying to clear the area, keep it under control and easy to mow and easy to clear. But just wanted to give an update on why I stopped with the wood chipper and what's going on.